Everyone, and welcome back to another motivational video of building a house in Ghana. If it is your first time here, my name is G.P.G, and today, as you can see, we are on a hill. We are in one of our subscribers projects that we're working on. As you can see now, we are at the third level, which is almost complete of the project. It is a hill project. These days most of our work are all on the hill. It's coded. The owner of this project doesn't want us to also show the design of the house, so we cannot really show you how it looks like, but there's one thing that the owner wants us to share with you, which is what we are doing now. So this is the coping design. So we are done with the whole structure, and this is the last piece, the parapet design that most people normally do on top of their houses to for the beautification of the house. So as I said, it is a hill project, so you see again you have to do retaining walls, you have to go through all the hustle. When you're building on the hill, you can check in my hill project how to build on a hill. You see all those stuff. So let's get back to today's video, which is the parapet and the coping design. If you watch, if you've been on the channel for some time, you will notice that we've done also a coping for one of our subscribers on the Tema Project. The method that we use for that parapet is different from this one. The one we did for the Tema Project, we mowed the coping on the ground. We mowed it on the ground. We have special cement and stuff. So we did it, and then later we pasted it on top of it, which was beautiful. If you go to my playlist to look for the Tema Project, you will see that the method we use for that, and you see how far we went. I'll post the link of that video in the description box there, so you can check it out after this video to understand what I'm trying to say. So so this is the neighborhood that we build a house. So you can see, like I always say, it doesn't matter then where you are. It's possible to do anything. All you need is a good drawing. You need an architect that can design your beautiful house for you to capture the views that you want. You don't have to go with a trend. So if you need a good architect, if you need someone that can draw for you, just get in touch with me, send me an email, and I will forward you to the right people. Your dream house done, from drawing to construction and then the finishing. So you see that this parapet looks like a staircase here. So, and the steel bender did a very good job. Our steel bender did this job. The carpenter is also very good. You see, everything is calculated and measured. So this method is, I don't really know the method of this parapet, but it is popularly known in Nigeria. So we normally call it the Nigerian style, the Nigerian parapet. So this is how most of the Nigerians do their parapet. They don't go the way the Togolese and the Ghanaians does ours, where we mold the parapet on the ground and then we paste it and then we seal it with cement and stuff. They do it this way. For you to understand what I'm really talking about, you really have to check that video. As I said, I'll put the link in the comment section and also in the description box, so you can check that video, so you see the finishing of how parapet is being done and the looks of it. Because the owner actually don't want us to share this design, because he also spend money to get the house, the structure done and everything, and he doesn't want us to. So that is why I cannot really show you from the downstairs how it looks. But if you want to get an idea, you can check in the playlist that I said, the Community 25 project, for you to see how it will look at the end. But this is a different method which we are trying to introduce to also share with you guys. Like I said, it is more like a Nigerian style. This is how the Nigerians does it, and that also gives you an idea, the owner of this property, because they are Nigerians, so they want to continue with their tradition, how they know it's done, and it's a very beautiful design. It's a very, as you can see, a lot of iron rod work goes into this one. And the one we also did for the Tema project, also we also put in some iron rods, but I think this one takes more, and it's also solid, and this one is bigger and larger than the one that we did with the Tema project. So when everything is done and casted, I would try my best to convince the owner to just capture just the coping. We're going to use some drone shot to just capture the coping for you guys to see, but you can already see it from here, from the inside, how it looks. So this is something that the guys shared it with me, and I just want you to share it with you guys. This is something you have to also consider. So if you are a Nigerian and you are just looking for people that can build in the Nigerian way, the team is here. You can get in touch with us. My email is down there. We are a team of builders. You can check in my playlist all the project that we've done, and we will get it done for you. Then it doesn't matter where your land is, whether it is on the hill, it is in the waterlog. If you've had professionals to come to your site and tell you, hey, the location of your land, it's impossible to do something there, just try us. Send me email, talk to my engineer, and just ask the questions. The reason why the people that are telling you that you cannot build on this land, just ask that questions to my builder, and we will come up with something. As you can see, this is on a hill. You could see there are no houses behind. There is no houses behind this project, so this is like on a hill, straight on a hill. There are measurements we have to take to make this possible. And one thing about hill project is that it consumes money. The hustle, it's really a hustle to have a project on the hill, but the best thing is the view. Just imagine having a house like this. Just imagine having this view, waking up to all those views. It's amazing. So just get in touch with us. If you also need ideas of design of how you want to build your house, you need designs and stuff, we are also here. We can help to give an idea of design and stuff. All you have to do is to send me email, and we will take it from there. In case maybe you already halfway with your project, you have your team and they are having difficulties, we have a carpenter, we have a steel bender. You can use some of our team members for your project, and if you need help, my contractor will always come there to help. Check out the view, man. This is a motivation for you to also start doing something in Ghana. Feeling like taking a pen and paper, designing your dream home, and bringing it into life and living in it. There's no feeling like that. I have done it before, so I know what I'm talking about. So this brings us to the end of today's episode. Thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent on the channel, and I will see you in my next episode. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's get to it. You get